A coach must be able to understand the components of fitness for the sport that athlete is performing and able to develop them further in the sport. In most games, the physical fitness components are aerobic endurance, speed, flexibility, muscular endurance, body composition, muscular strength. As a coach, you must be able to help the athletes meet these fitness demands and apply them to a competitive game. An athlete needs to be able to use all of these components to effectively enhance them and their sport performance. With safety, the coach needs to make sure that they keep it as high as possible. This is to make sure that the athletes don't get injured, because if the coach is under full responsibility of them and something happens to them, then they can get massively told off. A big concern for the coach is that if the conditions of the area change, for example, if they're outside and the weather turns bad, the coach must make sure that it's still safe enough to carry out the drill. In addition to this, the coach should prepare for the event that may occur. For example, making sure that there are some indoor areas that are able to be used after.